big as fuck. That would not fit.
Woo! Oh, coming in hot. Welcome back to a brand new episode of The Project Driveway. I've moved from my house to Project Driveway HQ.
House.
That's a nice top, bro.
Thanks.
You should jump online and get one from Big Cartel.
Sure.
Just saying. That's to the people at home. Good quality, good prices. So, while Blake is tackling another mission in the garage, I've got to do some work on Dopey out on the street. These holes here, I got to bog them up, but I got to JB weld a piece of metal behind it, and then I can fill it, like get rid of this edge where the paint's been smudged when I put these little hair tie things on that I used to have. I got to put some metal behind it so the bog just doesn't fall through, so I can wrap them. On the packet of the JB weld, it said 15 hours cure, and you know what? Because I don't really want this to fall through, and it'd be a pain in the ass if it did, even though I'd really like to get it wrapped. I'm gonna have to just wait. So I got some wiring I want to clean up, but to get to this little bad guy right here, I can do it two ways. Pull the front bumper off and get my hand up behind it and just put it there, or I can do it right and take the front bumper, all that crap, the headlights out, and then I can get my hand and make sure it's nicely seated, because I reckon there's going to be a lip on the back of this where I've drilled through. There's going to be a lip, so I'm going to have to just nick it with the grinder, or maybe even some sandpaper, just make it flat, get some metal, JB weld it, glue it. Might have to put some tape to put the JB weld, but to hold the metal and the JB weld to the inside of the guard, but we'll find out. But we've got most of the car wrapped, so it's looking pretty good. Did the skirts the other day. The embossing came up mint, and obviously it's not done in there, but that's a wrap game. There's no point doing the whole thing. So to get this guy off, same as always, these things, these race car clips, like that, pull the front bumper off, good to go. Cut a small piece of tin sheet and I've sanded it down on one side. I've sanded it inside the guard where the hole is. So now I'm going to mix up some JB weld. JB weld is killer strong, really strong stuff. It's just two parts, so you mix the two parts together and it should be good, but we'll see how we go. So I'm going to mix some of this stuff together, put it on here, and then stick that, say if that's my hole, I just stick it behind it, wait for it to go off, and then I can wrap the front two guards. Get all that gunk off. There's my magical piece. And we just stick it on in there. Just welded, or JB welded the other side, so I put a blanking plate, same as that side there. Gotta watch out because I'm working on the road today. I got my spat. So this bad boy belongs on up here, something like that. So I'm gonna put a little bit of double-sided tape on the back of this, so I can stick it on the car. Then I can drill my holes because I want to bolt it on there. I got these 5, whoa, see what I mean? I'm gonna get run over here. I got these countersunk head, countersunk head, which are Phillips head, and they're stainless. And then I got these little guys, which are like a little chrome plate dish. So I've already done the other side, but they'll look like this when they're done. They look nice. So I put some double-sided tape on. We'll go from there.
don't know, is it?
Try and... One down. Where's the other hole? Yeah, we'll do the one near you next. Just push on it. Don't be scared.
Don't break it.
Don't be scared. There you go. Look at that. You put a hole in it. Commence the drill.
How'd you get access?
No idea. Done.
Okay, we can go home now. See you, bye.
How's that look, damn it?
Damn it.
Does it look better?
Damn it.
Do you like the spats or do you like no spats? Once the diffuser's on, it will...
Yeah, time on.
I'll get the respect back. Damn it, Cam. Damn it, Cam. I mean the dock. The dock gave me a hand cleaning this up. Put the Deutsch connector in it, which is just the 4-pin connector. That is going to the LED indicator and DRL. So that's got rid of all that. And then we've put this shielding on everywhere that we can to tuck away any wires. So we've still got one connector here to go. I've still got some shielding and stuff to put on here after we change that connector. We need to move this wire down to the bottom because that's just ugly going from one loom to another. Like, that's just not on. Then we need to get another connector here, which I've just taped over, and we've cleaned up the other side. So that's how it will pretty much look on the other side once it's all done. Can't do anything about that because these are my indicators to go here. So the indicator pops in through here and then connects to here. So there's nothing really we can do about that other than to put a connector there and then put some of that shielding on once we get them, and same for the one down there. But I did up there anyway because I could. But that's how it'll look when it's all done. So I just got 3 looms on that side. On this side it will be 1, 2, 3. It'll be 3 again. So it'll be exactly the same on both sides, which is good. And then they'll all just be clips, because with these terminals, you end up pulling up on the wire a little bit, and then they end up fouling up, I guess, or not fouling up, just failing in general. Good job, mate. Alright, so I've jumped ahead a couple days from when me and Callum did some wiring on Dopey. Just done an oil change. I wasn't going to record today, but then I was like, hey, damn it. How big? Oh, you got a new sticker. Scrape. Get... Oh.
Shout out, Spoke Society.
Nice. Alright, back on track. So yeah, me and the doc did some wiring the other day. I've ordered some 2-pin plugs, so then I can finish the wire and clean that up, which will be in the rest of this video when they come in. But I was like, hey, damn it, you know what would look really cool? If you put my wheels on your car. And he's like, shit, I don't think they'll fit. And I'm like, well, there's no way to find out, isn't that right? Come on, mate, my wheels are ready to go. What are you doing?
I'm putting mine in 4x4 mode. Lift.
Oh yeah, locking up.
Your studs are still on.
I hope your studs are still on. I hope your studs are still on. That'd be weird.
That's a big wheel. Line them up, mate. Line it up, Rex. Yeah.
Toy.
Oh, I got like all this meat on you.
Height.
Yeah, no, that's good. That's meant to go in the guard that you can't get in. Yeah, that's the problem. You went 17s instead of 18s.
I think my $300. What do you expect?
$300.
Watch me struggle to get.
Oh, that wasn't really epic music, was it? At all. Hey, watch the guard, mate. Yeah, you already have. Is mine heavier than yours?
What heavier? That's big as fuck. That would not fit.
Woo!
No way.
Woo!
No, it wouldn't. As soon as I started going down.
Yeah, no, it'd fit. It'd fit.
It would fit.
It'd fit.
It would fit. Let's make it fit.
Like my shots.
Nice shots. Do you like his new wheels?
It'd fit.
It looks a lot.
I'm helping.
It'd fit. It'd fit.
Do you have much camera?
I don't know, dude. I think I like your other wheels better. Maybe because it sits like lower and it's sleeker.
Maybe. It's a small car, smaller wheels, suits.
Yeah. Yeah, go for it, Adam. Go for it, Adam. I knew what Adam wanted to do.
Put them on your car.
Nah, get the other one. We'll put them on the rear. You know what time it is. It's already past my guard. It looks disgusting. Take it off. I'm joking. Put it back on.
Put it back on.
I'm struggling here.
What's wrong with you? Put it on. You said you've been working out. Oh my god. Oh yuck.
No, they don't suit your car, especially the blue ruins it for your car. They work on cams.
Yeah.
That's weird, like a white car, you reckon that it looks similar, but they look completely different.
Mm.
And even similar wheels.
That didn't work. I'm gonna
I yeeted the rest before.
grab my wheel. What was that?
One of your weights.
Oh, you knocked the weight off.
Oh, you're shitting me.
No, I'm not.
You are shitting me.
Weight straight off.
You're shitting me.
Double side tape it on.
Oh boy! I'm gonna have a wonky wheel.
You're fucked. Boy,
Where's the chemi well?
This guy, one hand.
Huh? What are the chances out of all the spots I could have hit, I hit right there?
Oh, is it only just...
I'm gonna fix my wheel weight, and then we're gonna come back to this another day. R.I.P. wheel weight. Whoa!
Wait.
What are those? That's a nice camera you got there, newbie. I thought newbie was meant to be all about the DSLR.
DSLRs.
That's the
Very
one.
good,
Yeah, I'm
he's
learning.
learning.
I'm learning. Yeah.
Personal use.
Polaroido. Alright, take a photo. We're gonna watch you take a photo. Yeah? What photo are you gonna take? There, I reckon if you try and get Cole's car maybe in the middle of the shot, my car to the right, and Blake's car, and you work out the whole exposure thingy majig.
People make the exposure.
Hi, friend. Not you, the other one. Hi, friend.
Hey Pat, can you come give me a hand?
You're not showing enough skull, Blake. Oh, coming in hot. Coming in hot. Wait, Blake, where did your pants go?
Who likes short shorts? Blake likes short shorts.
Boy, look at them wog legs.
Hey, do they know what happened to my engine?
Alright,
Tell them a story.
Mine worse.
I don't need to tell you a story. I don't need to tell you a story because I've got a good friend here behind me. So the doc, which is smart about nearly everything, let's face it, decided to run like what, 24 pound of boost in like...
No.
He decided...
My gate was set
Here
to
we go.
18.
Who's gay?
Mine. And then that wasn't actually... Like, it was set to 18, but it may have spiked because of the boost control solenoid wasn't actually fast enough.
Yeah. Long story short, long story short, he decided to say goodbye to his beloved friend, the engine.
No, it was Conrad than before actually. The rest of it.
Well, can you shake hands with it?
Probably wants to pull the heads off.
Well, we'll find out.
There won't be a
But
piston
that's yeah, there will be.
No, there won't be.
Yeah, there will be. There will be a piston there, I guarantee you.
The piston's either mated with the valves or the conrod's gone back through it.
As long as they're touching, they're married. Blake, put your pants back on. That is a jock strap. Oh my, don't do that. Wow. Alright, that is straight out going to be today's thumbnail. Is going to be that. That is going to be the thumbnail. Kitty cat. Hi friend. Get out of here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, so yeah. Old mate Doc has blown the engine. He's went out and bought another engine out of a 2001 Bug-Eye. WRX, so you know it's boosted. It's got different cams.
Comparison to this motor, yeah.
It's got different heads.
No, they're the same heads with different cams. So basically everything else from like, the whole engine's the same except for the cams. So the fuel map is probably a little bit different because it's a bit higher.
From the cams?
Yeah. So it flows a bit higher up top, but other than that it's basically the exact same thing.
So yeah. Yeah, so we're just going to pull this bad boy out. We're waiting for old mate No Pants to come because he brought in some pin punches with his no pants. Hey, we got a drive shaft out. We got one out.
Yeah.
Shit, yeah, we're waiting for a pin punch.
Huh? Little bad boy.
Well, why don't you take your socks off?
I just need to dust my feet off.
Don't dust your feet off in that oil. So yeah, we're gonna pull the drive shafts out and then undo the bell housing, engine mount, and then grab the engine crane, which is somewhere over there. Strap it to the intake, pull the bad boy out, and then we've got a new engine over here. New semi. What is it, like 130,000? How many?
180.
180,000. What? You got the intake, you got the exhaust, you got some. They actually kept the loom and some wiring on there.
Yeah.
Throttle body. Other than that, it's pretty much bare. So we're gonna pull off everything on there that he needs and put it on there. Hey, yeah, boy. A fact.
That Kevlar is very expensive, and they've found a way to get Kevlar out of a fish without killing the fish. I watched a video the other day. Do you know how they do it?
Is the fish's name Kevin? Wow. All right. So Blake meant caviar, not Kevlar. Kevlar is an armor.
Yeah, like Kevlar's material. Yeah, that.
What?
Kevlar's material.
Yeah. He means caviar.
I said it wrong.
Nah, he confused that boy. That boy. Whose man is this?
The engine block? Yep. You just open it up.
Hey, Rowan's had a camera out on bloody car.
Nothing better than a mid-lift with the engine crane and
That's going back in, Cal.
and this bad
We're
boy.
grabbing the one from mine. Don't cut it. We're grabbing the one.
Huh? Give us an update.
Do you know that barrel 4 litres aren't actually 4 litre?
Oh.
Well, the NAs aren't. They're actually 3.9.
How many litres of oil? Probably about 10.
Be a bit. They've got a big stump.
They do. Big boy son. Alright, so we swapped over to tame because Callum, damn, just manhandling this bitch. Because this doohickey here, what is this even? An old ratchet strap, looks like?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's starting to
Fray.
starting to fray and fuck up on us, so.
What happened? Holy shit! Oi, Blake, you gotta fucking have a gaze at this, man. Look at that! That's a fucking coolant crossover pipe, man.
I have a hole in your engine.
Look at the fucking coolant crossover pipe, boy! How many? So that's rod 3.
Huh?
That's gotta be rod 3 then. 1, 2, no, 3, 4. I need to roll it.
Oh, that's probably.
Probably the same chunk's been recirculated like 8 times.
I'll put it
now.
in your head.
Don't fucking do it.
I put it in your cylinder port.
Don't fucking break my timing case, please.
Why? You don't need it.
Hi, I have another motor over there that needs a timing case and a timing belt tensioner.
Too bad you don't have another car to put it in.
I've done the cover for a while.
You just got sneezed on. That did not just happen.